Yo, what's up guys? It's International O. I'm back with another video. If you're following me on YouTube, hit the like and subscribe button. It is greatly appreciated. If you're following me on TikTok, please continue to follow for more content like this. Today is special. I received a collab between 7-Eleven and Crocs. They had the classic Crush Clog that came out last month, and I struck out on the raffle on the Crocs website. I was trying to obtain a pair. I struck out and I tweeted out about it that I really wanted to have a pair of those. I really like that collab. And I got a DM from Crocs. I mean, not from Crocs, from 7-Eleven. If you guys can see here, 7-Eleven reached out and they asked me what size that I wear, and they saw that I have an interest in Crocs and they wanted to send me a pair over. So they did. And here we are. Fast forward to today. That's how it started, and this is how it's going. So let's get to it. Now, I don't think they sent me, okay, yes, I see. They didn't send me the classic Crush Clog, but what they did send me, in which I'm still grateful for because I love these two. I love the whole collection. This is the black classic clog pair that they sent over to me. This pair actually drops November 7th, if I'm not mistaken. This drops November 7th. Like I said, the other pair dropped previously, and this is coming with another color of a classic Crush Clog, and those will be coming November 7th, along with these. I saw one video someone had, I think theirs actually had lights on it. This pair doesn't, but as you guys can see, the coloring, it has that traditional 7-Eleven coloring on here with the red, green, and orange. And then it has the gibbets, or the charms as some may call them. Has the 7-Eleven, has a drink, I'm assuming it's coffee, has a pizza and a hamburger on here. And then it has the 7-Eleven branding here on the insole, shall I say, of the Croc. I have been really collecting Crocs as of late. And I used to really be against Crocs. I really just didn't wear them. And then I finally got a pair during COVID. I was always walking around the house, so I got a pair and I fell in love with them. And ever since then, I've been stocking up on Crocs. I have a few pair downstairs in my garage. I have the Carrots collab, and I also have the collab between Crocs and Salehi Bembury. I have two pair of those. Actually, I'll be doing a review on one of those later, but overall, I wanted you guys to see this. Like I said, these will be releasing November 7th on the Crocs website. So if you go to Crocs website, they'll have the raffle information for this shoe. And as I said, I think it's like maybe one or two more pair, but I know for sure there's another classic clog, Crush Clog, that will be coming out too. And I think that one is an orange, more so of an orange color. But yes, here we go. Greatly appreciative. Thank you again to 7-Eleven for this collab. And until the next video, you guys be cool.